Gajrela? Carrot and milk pudding. A dessert from India. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Heat the milk in a heavy saucepan. Once boiling, add the carrots. Cook until the carrots are soft and most of the liquid had evaporated. Step 2. Stir in the sugar and cook for 5 minutes. Stir. Add the clear butter and cook 5 minutes more. Step 3. Shell the cardamoms, remove the seeds, grind, mix into pan. Step 4. Crumble the paneer, mix in, cook 3 minutes. Step 5. Add a part of the almonds, pistachio, and raisins. Mix in, cover, remove from heat. Let it cool, and pour into a dish. Garnish with the rest of almonds, pistachios, and raisins. Culture, countries, travel.